Good morning, guys. Give me a second. Okay. In short terms, sorry, little words, guys. I'm very iffy right now. Like I said, I wanted to see this OTE hold today. So I wanted to see this start. Excuse me, rejecting. There's no closures above 79, so it still technically go lower, right? To previous week low or previous days low, whatever you want to call it. Just a reason to go lower is the reason why you're trying to go lower. However, what I'm not a big fan of is these closures, and what I'm definitely not a big fan of is this candle right here. Why is this candle so important to me? If you go to the 1 hour, we also did invert the 1 hour here, and look at this. Boom! Look at that aggressiveness. All right, what is this, guys? What's this? This is liquidity that was already taken here. Okay, so this already doesn't look good to me, especially because they're in the London kill zone. What is basically this? Accumulation, manipulation, manipulation. So what do you expect this to be? Distribution to the upside. So it's AMD for me. However, to the other side, I also don't see so previous date highs. If we are gonna go higher, then this is really my easy targets right here. Previous date high. The only thing I just want to see a closure above this 1 hour to confirm me being more bullish than bearish for sure. Because right now, look where we look when we look once we came close above this already here, it's becoming an inversion. So looking for the downside, it's gonna be pretty hard to try to get through that even then, right? So what I'm looking at right now is if we could avert this SIBI, then I'm really not looking for excuse me, I'm really not looking for a way to go lower now. I'll probably look for this equal highs, like all this going to that side. Because at the end of the day, at the end of the daily time frame, I do see this, guys. I do see that from here to here, we did retrace to 62%. All right. All right. So, but the only thing that's in my way right now is probably these candles right here. These little. I want to see how we react from these levels. But right now, to be honest with you, like, I'm not at the level where like ICT says like where I could understand like the levels and which candles to use. But this definitely worked. This is why yesterday I was looking for shorts. Which, by the way, we did get the shorts, but it was way later on. It was like during the afternoon session right here, and I had it knocked down too. I had to do something, but I did have it knocked down here, right? So this would have been a fantastic trade, but I wasn't in the trade in the thing anymore, in front of the church anymore. I went to do something with my mom, so this was gonna be my trade, and then obviously I actually wanted to target these equal lows right here, which we never really did get. But let's be honest, bro. Like once I would have had a 1-2 or 1-3, like I would have probably just closed everything. Like there was no reason for me to try to look for a continuation. But yeah, like I said, it's really not looking like we look at this working out. It's like we could probably take previous day high and go lower. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see what the market wants to tell me. You know, that's how you know I'm advancing as a trader. I'm just waiting now. Just wait. Just wait. What I am gonna do is mark down the. What I was looking at is yesterday's open range gap as well. Wait, I don't get it. How come I can't see it here? Thank you. How come it's not? I didn't have it saved. I probably have MQ then. Whatever. I'll do it here now then. So open. Sorry, we close here. Sometimes it just gets me confused a little bit, like with the opening and closing of the candle. Like that's literally basic 101 of candle closures, of anatomy of candle, but I still don't know how to read it sometimes. Okay, so I'm gonna save that here. I'm still looking at yesterday, bro. I don't know. Like I said, in my heart, I'm bearish, but like The market's telling me something else, so I just gotta adapt to it. Excuse me. 9:30 is here. Reopen up here actually. If you could take an, well, actually, we actually did go low. I didn't see ES, but ES was the reason, was one of the major reasons why they want to close. I do want to see us go lower, guys. I really want to see us get filled up, and then maybe I wouldn't even look for higher anymore. I'd probably just look for lower. But I'll see. Hold on. I'm gonna just wait till 10 to see if we can close above it, which looks like we are. If we could get a nice closure above London High, I would anticipate this leg to be a supporting leg. What do you mean by that? If we get a nice closure above London High, right, without awakening, and we have a closure above this, then I would use this projection leg to continue sending us higher. That's basically it. But that's if this, then that. If not, then not this. So yeah, that's really what I'm waiting for. And if somehow we get a wick, a nasty wick, right, a really nasty. Ironically though, I like working with higher strong POIs, like previous day high, previous day lows. If we could like wick this, and then immediately like have a 5-minute version or something, I would get in that. And what would I go for? I would be very careful because I'll probably take off go break even during 50% of this leg range, you know, because in case we do want to use this leg to go high, then 50% of that would be the minimum bear criteria to go higher. However, if we are going lower, then it shouldn't respect it, you know what I mean? So, for example, let's just say we have from here all the way up to here, right? And then we start inverting whatever. And then let's just say 50% of this leg from here to whatever it lands. This is 50%, right? So then I'll probably just go to break even here, and then if we're really bearish, then we shouldn't really respect 50% of it, you know? This would only be a safe zone. However, the only reason, like I said, I'm really anticipating, like, a harder market for me is just because of this closures. This right here. This right here. I just don't like this. I really don't like this wick. Technically, we do have relatively equal lows, but something like just my instance or my intuition is telling me, like, this is not a good sign for me. Like if we would left these intact or something or thing, then and then we had the CB, then we took this high, then I would feel comfortable shorting from here. But I gotta see yes right now. I just don't feel too comfortable right now. So again, we are respecting that CB, and we did just. I wish we had SMTs. SMTs really help you feel more confident that correct correlation. Excuse me. But yeah, let me go to Nasdaq real quick. MNQ, sorry. But yeah, I mean, other than that, like, I'm still expecting lower at heart, but like obviously, whatever the chart wants to tell me, then I'm just gonna have to adapt to it. But again, I am looking for. It's funny, you know what I came to a realization. You know how people be like, oh, trading it once you know you hit a level of understanding or you're comfortable with trading now, it becomes boring. For me, it's the opposite. Like since I'm able to see things now, I don't get frustrated as much anymore, and I'm just calmer. But I'm excited. I'm more excited if anything. Obviously, you don't let the excitement get to you in the sense of like you want to over trade and stuff like that. But I'm talking about in the sense like you're excited now because you're part like. You know when you class when I don't know if this happens to anybody, but let's just say you're in math class or in any other typical subject, and in the beginning where you don't know what they're talking about and you don't know what they're discussing, you kind of just don't care. You kind of just are frustrated. Yeah, but look, wait, hold on. I'll get back to my topic in a few. Hold on, let me see. Yes. Yeah, look at this, bro. You cannot tell me you don't want to see this get filled in. We have a small one here, but nothing crazy. But point is, so yeah, you know when you're able to study and you're able to finally understand what they're talking about, so you're like, oh shit, like okay, like you want to be involved now. So that's really for me. Same thing. Like once, oh, we do have SNTs. Shit, I just realized that. Like I said, bro, if we break down lower, then I'm willing to go lower. to London low, whatever, and fill it more of this gap right here. I'm gonna have all the trading on your account. Hold up. We do have S&Ts, which is really good. Like I said, good. We have S&Ts with this high. Excuse me. I'll probably have to lower my risk just due to that fact. Like I just don't like that. What's it called? I don't like that we wick this like that. And technically, yes, we have more relative equal lows now here, but just intuition, you know what I mean? And like, this wouldn't really mean too much as much. This wouldn't. Excuse me. This wouldn't mean to me. This wouldn't mean to me as much if it didn't have wicked this and we had not inverted this. So now because of due to that fact, it's like it could just swipe it and get it back up, you know, or yeah. I'm just gonna be very safe here. But if we invert this, and I might consider a short. I don't know yet. If we invert it, if we invert it. Alright? If this and that, if not, then not this. But yeah, I would like to see us manipulate lower. I want to see us get inverted, this inversion right here. Alright? If this and that. Let me have. Nice. What time is it? 9:43. Let me see 15. Still, look at that candle. Look at this candle. I would technically want to short. Excuse me. I would technically want to short NQ. Let me see something. Hold up. What would I go for? Probably London low. It's a really good R if I'm being 100% honest with you guys. I'm just winning right now. But that's looking like a really nice clean R. I really short and thingy. Let me see this. MES. Oh, let me have from yesterday, just in case, bro. This is looking too juicy, bro. You cannot tell me this doesn't look juicy to you. Open here. But yeah, like I said, if it goes higher, I don't really care. I'm not really trying to chase for long right now. Like ideally, yes. Like I want to adapt to the market and try to go for it, but this doesn't look too good to me. Try to go. By the way, I am doing this 25K this 25K what's that thing called? Excuse me. Challenge. I think from Lo-Fi. What's it called? I forgot. It's pretty recommended though. So we have closure in 15 minutes, guys. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna take a picture of this. Hold up. trade kind of got inside for me. All right, so like I said, it did hold. Now what? Now what, dude? um. Now what? Now what? Recalibrate. Like I had said, if this was gonna, oh, look at that beautiful 50% rejection. Beautiful. Okay, so this leg, if we have a nice closure and we don't take a previous day side, excuse me, I would want to go for previous high, but it looks like we're just gonna rip through it. Now what? I want to see a retracement here. I want to see a retracement here, and I want to see any more targets to the upside. Standard deviations, target projection. Sorry. That's previous weekly high too, no? I don't know, previous week high. This is a year, guys. I'm telling you guys. I don't give a... Okay, I took it out for a bit. Oh shit, we just took previous high. Okay. Excuse me. So this to me is really thinking now. If we want to go higher, this is a pretty good candidate. Let me see the daily though. Gotta refer back to the daily. Excuse me. All right. Remember I said if we take our previous day's high, then I definitely want to see just an immediate reversion. Reverse. But I'll see how it closes. I'll see how it closes. Closures are very important to me. We haven't taken a previous day high with the S, so... But to me, already looking way more probabilistic that we're going higher than lower. Oh man, I got sick, bro. Shit's annoying. Bro, it's crazy because since we opened, we haven't been below it. That's what I'm saying. Like, I would love to go thingy, and like this would look ideal for me if we went lower and then after that we went higher. Just going higher straight from the opening doesn't make sense to me. Nice. Okay. Yeah, these probably look pretty good to me. Yeah, it's definitely possible. Excuse me. I didn't see no SMTs at the bottom. Did you guys? Yeah, just a straight shot up to this shit was annoying. We just took out previous day high for US as well. I don't know, no. I really don't know. I really don't know. Cause like I said, we could go for equal highs now. Shit. That's tough. Yeah, I don't know now. Like, all my easy targets are drawn. I have to wait. Bruh. Bruh. Excuse me. You see? If we had been getting a little impatient and we expected this to go lower, then we could have been wiped out easily. I think that's I think the quarter of that move beautifully to the tick. I think that's a fourth. It's just showing strength behind the move. That's why I was waiting for inversions with this move up. I don't know now. I just gotta wait now. Imagine, yo, bro, that'd be excuse me. We do have 4 hour, I think, shift now, no we? Oh, I just saw this. I didn't see that 4 hour. I didn't see that busy till just now. Cause I was looking at NQ. NQ looks weaker, in my opinion. Like you see, we hadn't really had a change of state. We already had a change of state here into the order block. Yeah, that one makes sense too. Bruh. No trade for me, guys. Excuse me. That's not looking good. So I probably would try to still target this, but I'll probably just lower my risk by half or something. And I would have to wait for equilibrium. I would probably just wait for higher. Yeah, it's still pretty worth it. Excuse me. Yeah, we about to close in 5 minutes. But that's great. That was a lot of movement for such a little as time. I want to see his closures, bro. Closures. Stupid throat. Oh. Yeah, I would probably have to reduce my risk. It's not like my easy target was for sure previously high. I've never really bought. I'm not gonna say never. Never is definitely not a thing, but I'm not that level yet where we take a previous high and I'm still confident trying to look for longs to continuation higher. So I'll just wait. I'll really just wait. Oh, bro, we're just staking up higher. Excuse me. Like I said, this CB was really the reason why I wasn't as confident in the trade in a sense, but So we better have a closure. So now two things. This is an order block, and we need to change state now for sure. I'm no longer. I'm abandoning the bearish priorities for now. For now, I'm looking for this. There's no reason for me. Like I said, this was really. Wait, did we have before I was saving? Nah. That was a lot of news. Do we have? So we're showing strength behind that move. So, like I said, I'm gonna take this projection leg now from here to here. What was it? 9:30. 9:30. And I wouldn't want to see equilibrium retest here, right here, and then try to get a bounce higher. Bro, we're just going straight for it, bro. That's crazy, dude. Hey. Alright, hold on. Hey, yo, give me a second. Bruh. What the freak is my password? Alright, bro. Am I special? There we go. Excuse me. Everything lines up here. Not really. Oh, who told me to use the bodies? I can see the wick. I'm not too advanced yet. I'm gonna make my. Hold up. There we go. But we getting no type of retracement. I'm not gonna trade that short, bro. To the retracement. I'm not like that. I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy, pal. So no, thank you. If y'all wanna short this, like short this into equilibrium, and then short back up, you guys are fucking crazy. You guys got balls of steel. I'm not doing that shit. It's crazy because this one looks clean here on the 5 minute. Like I said, this will be my target. If this gets hit, bro, if this gets hit right here, I'm good. I'm not trading this shit. I'm not trading it anymore. I don't have any other high targets in my opinion. Even this is already like very iffy for me. Not iffy that I can't get hit. Iffy that something like I'm not confident with it yet to continue after previous day high, after London high. I've been taking like I'm good. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Bro, we're getting no type of retracements. That is fucking crazy. Where's the first percentage for value yet? This. you know what, you guys? I don't use a first person to fair value yet. I would say this, right? Because ICT says this is what the market structure shift. I don't know. I don't really use too much if it's not. I personally don't know how to use it yet. That's crazy. Alright, if this gets hit, bro, I'm done for the day. If this get hit, alright. 30-10, bro. Yeah. I'm waiting for this. I don't see this as auto block. For me, this is the auto block. 2026 has become fucking rich, guys. Or at least leveled up by 300%. Like, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. Where's the H1 auto block? It's crazy, we had no wiki, I just realized this. Excuse me. Yeah, like I said, guys, if we could tap 50% to his auto block or dig into here, I'm looking for longs. We haven't tapped into, you see? It's 1226. 1226. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Back to focusing. You know what I realized, dude? Ever since I got here, I feel like everything life teaches you a lesson. Everything life teaches you a lesson. You just gotta listen to it. You know. Oh yeah, yeah. We definitely looking for lungs right now. So what am I looking for now, dude? This. This is my chart right now. Not like as confident, but pretty confident. Yeah, I'm looking for this, guys. I'm not gonna risk too much. Boom. Excuse me. I'm not looking for that long, guys. Short. You guys want to look for that retracement? You guys could look for that. I'm good. I really just hope this is not the leg. This is gonna be what sends us higher. I hate doing that shit. AKA support and resistance. Support turns into resistance. I'm not looking for that. You know what's crazy, guys? I have a excuse me. I have bro, this is slowly gonna just grind up, which is gonna be annoying. Oh shit. Tomorrow's my last trading day. Actually no, I might trade this whole week. I don't know. But if we do really good, then I'll probably just take Friday off. I'm gonna go play ball tape. Let me see if Tanya took a trade. Oh, wait, what? Oh, she's getting back to the 9? To the 9th? Oh, till Friday. Oh, she waiting. Uh, yeah, I feel like that's you only get to that level of waiting when you're like fucking profitable. So now you know like you can just avoid even little losses, and then obviously you know. Oh, Tyler's going for the short. He's going for the short. I'm not confident with that. That's something I've gotten better at myself for sure. Like not learning to fall under pressure. Like if I see the same thing as him, then obviously it's even better. But I personally don't. Really? Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting till 10:50. Excuse me.
Long right away?
He declined. He's
I
funny.
got the balls.
Yeah, nah, I'm not going for that shit. I'm gonna wait for the retracement. That's when I'm gonna go bigger size. Like I'm tired of like risking so little and then
Guess what happened here?
yeah, I feel like it's more frustrating for me, in my opinion. Like when I'm risking so little, right? And then somehow I end up winning, and then I end up giving it all back with one thingy trade. So I'd rather just go crazy with my hyperbolic trades.
Hey Jose, man, I don't control what happens in the morning. It is what it is. It is what it is.
He's not talking about me, by the way.
If I make the money off stream or make the money on stream, I guess you guys can't complain. I'll sell a course or a Discord, so.
I would probably wait for this 2 minutes to get in
Get what you
reverse.
pay for.
If I was to
Maybe
look
hit
for
the like button.
shorts.
Think I feel bad that I got stopped out on stream. What do weekends look like? They look like doing anything but looking at charts. That's what they look like.
SPX, we did fill up the gap here.
Bruh. Well, this would be pretty rude.
Yeah, I think he's right about this.
Is there a 15-minute gap here now?
I want to start seeing this. The correlation. What Lumi's talking about.
This gap is getting McFucked.
SPX is hot thingy too. So supposedly there's a correlation between these two. I'm just gonna take a look at that here.
How come we enter a trade and this is immediately what the 5-minute chart looks like?
I'm just waiting.
Can somebody explain that? moment we enter a trade, we get this. Bruh. I don't know. I don't know if I want to play the same short setup again. Mainly because of how close we are now to this 15-minute gap. It's like I would want to go break even really quickly, and I just
I kind of do want to tell you short. That's the thing. That's the only bad
I
part.
want to target here, this 50%. That's the same level. We haven't put in.
I know Lumi's look for your shorts right now. Oh shit, that's not good. Let me see what Lumi's doing. I know Lumi's trying to look for shorts right now.
That's what I'm waiting for. So what I'm waiting for, probably that one.
ES, what is she looking for the higher time frame?
Slight higher. That's what I'm waiting for.
4 hour, what's in the 4 hour?
So guys, once again, don't forget to participate in giveaway. I sent link in the chat before. And $400 is huge difference because you ease at $20, of course.
Is she long this?
Connect.
Excuse me.
Give me the trade, please. I'm just thinking if it's going to close below this level, I might try to short.
So she was looking for shorts in the morning.
Micro, yes.
What time was
No
this?
closure, no trades.
9:50ish, yeah.
Or what can happen? And I will. When I was.
Yeah, she was looking at the gap.
4,500 midnight open. But my stop loss. I trade sweep plus OB in low time frame.
Bruh. You see how I still respecting the
I'm
CAT?
not going to check gold anymore. Gold is done for the day. Which I discussed before. To enter giveaway, here's the link.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. I don't really care too much. It's just strong. It's too strong. It's too strong. It's too strong. I'm gonna just wait. Let me just look at his stream. Tyler, he's a funny guy.
You can tell who's watched way too much brain rot trading content because it's just the same. It's the same.
Keep better crash out.
Cutter advice that you see all over TikTok and YouTube and Instagram.
Bruh. I would fuck. I don't even want to short this. Look how strong this candle is.
Price in live real time. Trade it perfectly with a bottom or top tick. There's always some philosophical, deeper meaning. Funny how that works. I wish there was like a way. I wish there was like a way to see like.
How they trade?
There should be like YouTube badges or something for people that
Trade that.
live trading streams, and there should be a badge for like the number of times they've received the payout.
Fact, that'd be dope. That'd be fucking dope.
So that way you can kind of like, it's kind of like
fucking credibility.
it's kind of like if you could get something for media members that were vaccinated and triple boosted. Like if you could be aware of those credentials before taking in whatever their opinion is. I mean, you might take it with a grain of salt.
Oh yeah.
There could be like something similar to that for
This dude. Oh fuck. Oh, man. Yeah, this is a fair rally get powered. Bro, we're just going higher. And higher.
COVID vaccine. I think I'm the opposite of a person that would get the COVID vaccine.
This guy's funny. LOL.
I'd rather
Lol.
COVID kill me.
LOL. It's
We'll see what
not.
happens here. It looks like it's probably going to continue more than likely.
It's gonna go higher slowly.
So, did get obviously this power of 3 on the 10 a.m. candle, which ironically is what I kind of said I wanted to see, but I guess I got a little too
Impatient.
horny about a potential retracement first. That happens sometimes though. Sometimes you just get a little too turned on. Sometimes the foreplay is just a little too much.
This guy.
803 is Friday high. We are 775 right now.
Like I said, this is my easy target. This shit gets taken down. Then I'm not. I don't care.
No, you're good. You're good, Uncle Lev. I just got nothing better to do other than respond to the comments in the chat right now.
This guy.
How come I don't believe in vaccines? How come I don't believe in vaccines?
In order for me to look for a
I
trade,
myself as somebody that you should respect my
opinion.
medical opinion on anything. I'm not a doctor or anything like that. Not that being a doctor solely makes you credible either. I think there's a lot of corrupt doctors that promote things and push things for the better.
I'm done, bro.
For the profit making of the pharmaceutical industry, et cetera, et cetera.
Oh no shit! It's like a trillion out of.
I just think that at least when it comes to like
I think a trillion, no, more than a trillion. Oh my gosh, 1.4 trillion.
there was like no data, no time really to even
Counter.
like it was impossible to even have any time like backing up the credibility of the vaccination. So, and especially for something that was basically a head cold, and the only people that were really in harm's way were like
The older
elderly citizens
and
with
people who are already sick.
underlying issues already. Which, by the way, I don't know if you guys know this. Whenever elderly citizens with underlying health issues get exposed
To anything.
COVID or not, it could be fucking fatal. It's like it's
Yeah.
nothing new here. You know.
I like this guy. Got logic.
But I don't give a shit if people want to get vaccines. Go ahead. I think the only part that everybody had a problem with obviously was the fact that they literally were forcing people to either
To get inside the building.
vaccine or lose their job.
True that, yeah.
Like that shit was obviously way out of hand. But if you want to get jabbed up, don't listen. To this shit. Doesn't affect me any.
I'm about to go play ball, dude.
Cater is spamming the chat. Where? Hang on. Where's Cater? I don't see a Cater. Oh, here he is. Bro, Forex is good for trading. Knock yourself out. Knock yourself out, pal. Let me know the first time you double or triple an account, and then the forex broker denies your
Payout.
Or let me make it more realistic. They might give you your withdrawal of whatever your deposit was, and then they'll freeze your account. Let me know when that happens. Are you waiting for short? I'm just kind of waiting, just in general right now. I can see us going to Friday high. I can see us,
First high.
coming back at least for this 15-minute gap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. We had a nice run up here. I kind of wanted to. I just wanted to see quick movement regardless.
Down. Yeah.
And as of so far in the first 30 minutes, like this is the 30 minutes that we just were walking here. So we went from a nice run, a nice expansion to immediately
Consolidation.
accumulation. So
Oh,
I'm just
yeah.
waiting because it's 10:30 right now. So could a new 30-minute candle?
Print the reversal.
This is now a 30-minute gap as well. Could a new 30-minute candle
Just poke it and go down.
give us delivery? Sure. but if I were to put a trade on right now, I just feel like I could get caught in back
Chop.
and forth chop. So yeah, I'm really just waiting, just in general.
Like I said, I'd rather
I
wait.
can see both sides right now.
I could wait. I'd rather wait for this.
If we're gonna get this short, I kind of wanted it to be quick off the new hourly open.
Yeah, the first 10 minutes.
Macro,
Yeah.
and then get that quick rebalance was kind of the hope.
It's cold.
Like I said, a bottom gap here just below
Oh,
where price
nice.
went around. So that was gonna be like I was hoping for literally like the quick retest of the inversion and then a quick move down. I was gonna go break even right away because I understand that I was trading against this hourly displacement.
Momentum. Oh, nice. We got.
That was the plan. Just didn't even get that. You leaving? All right, man. Peace and love.
Oh,
Yeah,
nah.
Today right now is 490 per account.
Excuse me.
Kept it pretty light. It was only a 28 point stop. Cut it a few points early, so not even.
I don't like this.
Stop out.
No wake.
So we'll see what happens.
This could be a nice short if you're trying to look great, but I'm not trying to short into the.
Technically, no red days 2026 still in play. We just have to make back. We just have to make back the little L with some green here. No red days 2026, boys. How sick would that be? It's probably like 0 chance. I'm gonna say like there's like a 1% chance that can happen, but to be honest, it's probably not. But a guy can dream. That'd be pretty sick.
What the frick is the end button? Oh, nice.
What's the difference between NASDAQ 100 and US 100 cash CFD?
One is regulated by the US.
The futures contract for NASDAQ. NAS 100 or US 100 cash CFD it's the same market, but
It's not under the US.
100 or NASDAQ 100 on a CFD is you're trading the brokers essentially overlay of the market because they are the liquidity provider, so you're not seeing the exact. The nice thing about futures is it's all routed through the CME, so it's centralized. Everybody is seeing the exact same tick
Price.
at the same time all the time versus with Forex.
Nice inversion now.
You know, like I said, it's an overlay of the market.
I wonder if
so
Lumi's in
they
this.
can kind of manipulate slippage and.
Yeah, it's not in sync, unfortunately.
I wonder if she's in the
In
short.
stocks and shares. I mean, my husband does this. I don't. To midnight. That's actually great. What is? It's New York midnight open.
What would I go for? Probably just 50% of that. Like I said.
Tell me gold reverse from 4,500. That's insane. Look at SPX trying to respect equal highs. Yeah, I'm looking for this scalp down. I'm watching and waiting for the closure first, and I will short. I will use market order as always. What time New York midnight open? Midnight, 12 a.m.
Yeah, she is looking for the shorts. She tries a lot 2-minute order block, which is really good. And also nice inversion here. 2-minute state.
It's okay. Luck some profit, luck some profit. It's okay.
10-10.
Okay, on micro, yes, I'm going to trade micro, yes. We didn't get the closure yet. Okay, going to it.
Where is your book closure? The 3-minute. She went for the 3-minute?
17 seconds left.
But she really does trust a 2-minute. I mean 3-minute. A 3-minute and for me I trust a 5-minute. I don't know why, but I just trust it so much.
How much is like 300, 400 bucks? That's affordable. Good trade at this point. We got the closure on ES. We didn't get this closure on NQ yet. What about ES here? Micro ES here.
I like these only when I'm like pretty confident in certain things, but I'm just not too confident in them right now.
I'm going to risk $300 to make 450. It's like
1.5.
1.2. Or okay, let's see. Doesn't sound bad for me. Let me check 5-minute chart real quick. Same closure on 5-minute charts. Looks good.
Nice displacement.
Would like to try the short, I guess. Mm-hmm.
Nice dump.
Yeah, looks good. Sorry, guys. It just flex evals. But anyway, I'm close to pass evals right now. So I'm thinking what will happen if they're going to create new high again. If they're going to create new high again, I will try again.
Oh, nice. Nice 101. If you were taking that no trade right there. That's what I'm saying. I really don't want this level.
Around $300 to make 400.
I really don't want to
Even
see
for
this support.
50%. So basically trading this now.
I'm not in the trade, by the way. I take it. I'm just observing it. But I just really don't want this to be a
Yeah.
oh, damn, that's crazy. No closure here.
Let's see if the scalp is going to work. If not, so what I will try again. It's perfectly fine for me. I will wait for probably NQ to take Friday high, and I will try same exact short right after this. Only yes. Maybe it will happen during lunch. We will see.
No, we have fair value.
There's 50%, 58.25. Where I put my yeah. Just quick scalp, quick short.
If I was me, I would just go for a 101. I'm not that good. Yeah.
So,
Like,
why I'm trying to short, I already explained before, SPX completely filled old RTH gap, right?
yeah, I saw that.
Sorry, guys. Also, SPX hit equal highs. We inside sell sentiment on SPX as well. So I said if SPX is going to offer OB on 3 or 5-minute chart, I will try scalp short to 50% of this move up from today. That's why I entered the trade.
So what level
Isn't
is that?
25 account EPT better?
69.
Yeah,
90.
I would say it depends. It depends on your risk during the day. You trade a lot or not? That's also important. I'm going to be on Tradify TV, yes.
Nice respect of the fair value gaps. I wonder if we're gonna reverse after this.
So let's see if it's going to play out.
Yeah, probably in the stream here, guys. I'm done.